Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in biology, proteins. These incredible molecules are fundamental to life itself, and we're going to break down everything you need to know about them. So, let's get started. Proteins are large, complex molecules made up of one or more chains of amino acids. Think of them as the body's building blocks, with each protein having a unique sequence of amino acids dictated by our DNA. There are 20 different types of amino acids that can be combined in countless ways to form proteins. The specific sequence of these amino acids is coded by combinations of 3 DNA building blocks called nucleotides. This sequence determines each protein's unique three-dimensional structure and function. Your body contains over 100,000 different proteins, each with a unique role. But why are proteins so important? Let's explore their purpose. Proteins are essential for life and come in many types, each serving a different function. For example, structural proteins help maintain the integrity of cells, transporter proteins facilitate movement in and out of cells, and enzymes catalyze biochemical reactions. The shape of a protein is crucial to its function. Proteins fold into complex structures due to positive and negative attractions between atoms. These folds can interact with other proteins to form even larger structures. Here are a few examples of protein functions. Antibodies bind to foreign particles like viruses and bacteria, helping to protect the body. Enzymes carry out thousands of chemical reactions in cells and assist in forming new molecules by interpreting genetic information. Messenger proteins, including some hormones, transmit signals to coordinate processes between different cells and organs. Structural proteins provide support and shape to cells and tissues. For example, collagen holds body tissues together, while keratin forms waterproof fibers in the skin. Proteins don't work in isolation. They often interact with each other and other molecules. These interactions are essential for activating enzymes, turning on genes, and communicating between cells. Proteins are dynamic and flexible. For instance, motor proteins move along the cell's cytoskeleton, and when neurotransmitters bind to receptors, it causes changes in protein shape that can trigger nerve signals. Proteins have 4 levels of structure. Primary structure is the sequence of amino acids. Secondary structure involves the folding into alpha helices and beta sheets. Tertiary structure is the overall three-dimensional shape of the protein. And quaternary structure is the arrangement of multiple folded chains. Proteins can also combine with other compounds. For example, glycoproteins have sugars attached, while lipoproteins have lipids. Now, let's talk about nucleic acids. There are 2 main types, DNA and RNA. DNA contains the master code for protein assembly, while RNA plays a crucial role in protein production. RNA transcribes DNA's information into messenger RNA, mRNA, and transports it to ribosomes, where proteins are assembled. Transfer RNA, tRNA, helps add the correct amino acids to the growing protein chain. Ribosomes, made of proteins and ribosomal RNA, rRNA, are the sites of protein synthesis. Proteins are not just vital for cellular functions, they're also essential in our diet. When we eat protein-rich foods like meat, fish, beans, and nuts, our bodies break down these proteins into amino acids, which we then use to build new proteins. Digested proteins are broken down into amino acids, which are then reused to create new proteins for growth and maintenance. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at proteins, their functions, and their importance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.